And again, just condensed glue gels. And blend it. It's really thick density, so do not worry when you open it, you feel like really thick density, which is normal. And no wet top coat on the top. So this again, Monday's tutorials, which is really basics, pink and white ombre, and you will never go wrong with the basics, you know. So should we do 2 left? Should we do this one or this? 1, 2. I know I like them both.
So Divinity now, you definitely want to check out our new arrival. There's a couple of kits in there. I'll just go straight to our crystal kit section and check them out.
Yep, this one is definitely, there's 3. Then you have a crystal glow in the dark kits 1. Kits 1 had the S shape. Kits 2 had the moon shape. But they're all different and they all go compatible together. And I also using the neons crystal kit too. I love this. You will never go wrong. I just did the really cute heart right there. And I also did the pink one right here. So you can find it on the crystal kit or new arrivals.
Yep, and you got some of those for the first design, the red one.
Oh, 1. Okay. Number 1 it is. So the neon, a bright neon short. And I'm loving this S shape. S line. You'll never go. So it's not right tight together. And here is our frame coming. How super adorable it is. You'll never go wrong with these designs. And you can add any colors. You can see that I did the yellow, but then also I did the kind of pink on the end. So you can do whatever you want. It doesn't have to be exactly matching. You can be really mix and match. Okay. So I'm gonna add 1 more. And 1 more. And also, you want a beads on it? Absolutely. Beads. More beads. You can see that I'm placing them right closer to each other. I mean, each with the crystals, between crystal and crystal, and between frame and frames, and between the different shape. You can do however you would like. And if you're happy with this, we are going to cure for 60 seconds. This is really a simple, beautiful, basic. Even you are doing it with your clients. It's going to give them, even the clients just doing a 2 rings finger designs, absolutely gonna be, the clients will be loving it and enjoying it. And I think I need 1 more beads for this to be matched, but not necessary. You don't have to. So if you're happy with this, I'm gonna shift it just a little bit to make sure they are really nice and even in the center. The best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat, it will give you ability of adjusting it anything you want before you even cure. So it's not going to set until you cure. So you have like all the time in the world to really definitely is perfect your designs before you cure. So I'm happy with this. We are going to cure for 60 seconds. You are very welcome.